Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tech video. If you clicked on this, chances are you're trying to fix a super annoying issue with a command prompt where it opens and then instantly closes or crashes before you can even type anything. Well, don't worry, you're not alone. And today I am going to walk you step by step through multiple working solutions to fix this problem on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, before we dive into the fixes, let me quickly explain why this issue might be happening. Command prompt, also known as CMD, is a core component of the Windows operating system. If it keeps crashing or closing immediately, it could be due to corrupted system files, a virus or malware, misconfigured environment variables, or even an issue with your user profile. All right, let's get started with the first method, and remember, if one method doesn't work for you, just keep going to the next one. You can totally fix this method 1. Try launching command prompt as administrator. Sometimes CMD won't run properly unless you give it the correct permissions. So here's what to do. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and when it appears in the search results, right-click it and choose Run. As administrator, if the black window now opens and stays, then congrats, it's just a permission issue, but if it still closes right away, keep watching. MISU 2 used the System File Checker tool. This tool checks for and repairs corrupted system files, which is one of the biggest causes. For CMD errors, if you can't open CMD directly, don't worry, we're going to do this through PowerShell, so hit Windows X and choose Windows. PowerShell admin, or you can press the Windows key and type PowerShell. Right-click it and choose Run. As administrator, once it opens, type this command, SFC /scan, now then hit Enter. It might take a few minutes to finish scanning and fixing files. When it's done, restart your computer and try launching command prompt again. Still not working, no problem. Let's move to method number 3. Running the DISM command. DISM stands for Development Image Servicing and Management. And it's like a deeper scan that can repair your Windows image. So again, in PowerShell as administrator, type this DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. And press Enter. Let this run. It can take a while depending on your system. After it's done, restart your computer. Check if CMD now opens normally. If that didn't fix it, method 4 is checking the environment variables. Incorrect variables can mess with how CMD functions. To do this, right-click on this PC or my computer, choose Properties, then click Advanced System Settings on the right. In the new window, click Environment Variables near the bottom. Now under System Variables, look for one called Path. Click Edit and make sure it includes this path C/Windows /System32. If it's not there, click New and type or paste it in. Then click OK on all the windows to save. Reboot your system and check CMD. Again, all right, method 5, create a new user profile. Sometimes your current Windows user account is corrupted and CMD won't work properly under it. To test this, go to Settings, then Accounts, and click Family and Other Users. Add a new user account by clicking Add Someone Else on this PC. You can create it without a Microsoft account by choosing I don't have this person sign in information and then add a user without a Microsoft account. Give it a name like test user and create it. Then log out of your current account and log into this new one. Now try opening CMD. If it works fine here, then your original account is a problem. And you might want to transfer your files and use a new one. Still no luck. Let's go to method 6. To scan for malware, some viruses, or malicious scripts, especially target system tools like CMD. To block you from running certain commands to scan your system, open Windows Security from the Start menu, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and click Quick Scan, or even better, click Scan Options and choose Full Scan, let that run. You can also use third-party tools like Malwarebytes for a deeper scan. If it detects anything, remove it, reboot, and try CMD again. Now for method 7, check for Registry, damage, or Autorun commands. Sometimes CMD opens and instantly runs a script that tells it to close. Let's inspect that. Press Windows R, type Erase it, and press Enter inside the Registry editor. Go to this location, HKE_U is software Microsoft command processor. Look for a key on the right side called Autorun. If it exists and has any data inside, right-click on it and delete it. Also, check this path, HKE_locale unmachine software Microsoft command processor. Again, if there is an Autorun entry, delete it. Be super careful in the registry. Don't change anything else, then close Regedit and reboot. Let's move on to method 8. Check task scheduler. It might sound weird, but sometimes tasks are set to run CMD and instantly kill it, or run a script. Go to Start, type task to scheduler and open it. Click on Task Scheduler Library and look for any weird or unfamiliar entries on the right that might involve CMD. Exe, if you find anything suspicious, right-click and disable it, and there you have it. I really hope one of these worked it for you. If it did, let me know in the comments which one solved it. And if you're still stuck, drop a comment and I will do my best to help you out. Don't forget to like the video if it helped, subscribe for more tech tips and fixes, and I will see you in the next one. Take care and happy troubleshooting.